Hey, messed up with your bookkeeping? Struggling with enjoying your personal life? Have you tried hiring an in-house bookkeeper and ended up wasting your valuable time training them? Or perhaps you tried a CPA firm that barely focuses on your bookkeeping because you're a small business owner. Maybe you even tried an outsourcing firm that charges upfront but delivers poor quality. In all these cases, you're paying in advance for poor quality and they fail to meet your expectations. You end up with messy books and spend even more to fix the mistakes. Now stop paying in advance. Pay only after you're satisfied with our bookkeeping and tax services. Try our free trial for 7 to 30 days. We provide solutions to streamline your books, letting you focus on your business and personal life. Our accurate services include bookkeeping and accounting, payroll preparation and filing sales tax, GST, HST, VAT accounts receivable, payable individual and business tax returns, and business and software consulting. We offer prices 60% lower than the market. Interested? Click below to book a free consulting call. Let's have a coffee and a chat.
Ready to start? Note our details. We're just a call away.